Hello, this is Amitoj.
This is Arav.
This is Arush.
Today is 6th June 2021. We are getting opportunity to unbox Realme Narzo 30 Pro 5G.
And in this video, we'll also tell you about Mi Max 2, that was our previous phone.
Now this phone was being used by Arush. So Arush, what makes you think that we should go for this upgrade? Can you explain the scenario and background about it and tell us about your phone?
Because this phone has only 32 GB and I was thinking that it is pretty outdated in these days, because nowadays there are phones with 128 GB and additionally you can add more internal storage to it. So I thought it would be better if we upgrade it to 128 GB and buy a new phone. Hence I went for this. It has 128 GB internal storage and it has 8 GB RAM, while this one has 4 GB RAM. So sometimes it unfortunately used to get hanged, and that was pretty clumsy and it was irritating. And so I thought, if there is 8 GB available, why go for 6 GB, and hence I went for this. It has 8 GB RAM and 128 GB internal storage and Android 10, while this one has Android 7.11 and that is pretty outdated.
So we are gonna unbox this also and show it to you.
Yeah, this is an old phone. So what do you, the basic reason is this phone stopped working and it has damage on this and it was no more of any utility to us. So Arav, can you show this phone?
Yeah, sure. So this is the phone. It had many cracks and was not working properly. So we decided to change the phone and switch to Narzo 30 Pro.
Okay. So this is pretty much a damaged one with scratches on the screen. The display is working basically, but is boot for a short duration. So it was no more functional, and so we had to take a decision. It is pretty much damaged, you can see. So what do you know, Arav, about Narzo 30 and what do you think?
As Bhaiya told that it has 128 GB, 8 GB RAM and has a good display. So the further we will tell you after unboxing this Narzo 30.
Also I wanted to add that it has a 48 megapixel rear camera and 16 megapixel front camera. I know that these days there are phones available with 64 megapixel front camera, 64 megapixel rear camera and 16 megapixel front camera, but I went for this one because it was 5G. I believe that in India 5G SIMs are gonna be launched, or they're gonna be pretty common and be used as for common usage and used pretty much in
offer high data speed
and will be pretty convenient and will be coming in the next few years. So I was thinking, if I want a phone for next few years, I want it to last few years, and
that would future proof this purchase. So that device would be future proof with the perspective of using 5G data packs and all, which would offer better speeds, right?
So let's close MI and unbox Narzo 30 Pro.
Yeah. So who's going to do it? Arav, go ahead.
No, you do it.
Okay. So Arush, you going to do it? Yeah, do it.
You do. It's awesome.
So let's unbox and see what are the deliverables in this box for the information of the people ahead. So this is Narzo and there is the seal here. So let's open up. This phone has 5000 mAh battery and 30 watt charger. 120 Hz ultra smooth display, Dimensity 800U 5G processor. So we are upgrading on processor also. So this is a cover, basic cover, booklet, safety guide, some additional paperwork, quick guide. So keeping it here, this box, and moving ahead, we have phone which has got a triple rear camera setup. So the cover, let's open the basic cover. This is a triple camera and single front, right? This color is shark black, I think. So this is the coloring we have ordered. It's a Realme Oppo range of products.
Narzo is a brand of Oppo, you can say. So
Narzo is a brand of Realme, which is a brand of Oppo.
Yeah, you can say that. So let's.
So this is the branding between them. Yeah. Now this is a charger brick, which is also there in the
30
box.
watt charger.
This brick and a cable, charging cable. And is there anything else?
This is SIM ejector tool, commonly also known as key.
That's pretty much it. Yeah. So that's pretty much it. In the box we get all these things. Yes, Arush, you want to tell something?
It also has a side mounted fingerprint scanner, which is over the power button. So I guess that's pretty convenient.
So this is unboxing. Sometime later we would review and give you feedbacks in case we have some troubles with the phone or something as we use that. Why don't you switch off and showcase? Yeah. Switch on, yeah. Switch on and show. Yeah. The screen side.
So I guess it fits pretty much in the hand, and yeah, I think it is a pure upgrade from Realme Narzo 20 Pro.
Yeah, that is a
Goodbye, have a nice day.
So this is about what we get in the box. So we'll get back to you with additional details. Have a great day. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Please
Bye.
like, share and subscribe our videos, and please comment if you want to buy Narzo 30 Pro.
Yeah,
Thanks.
Thank you.